Hi guys, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show double UK49 lunchtime and tea time prediction for 4th April Friday 2024. Now lunchtime single prediction numbers: number 9, number 12, number 37, number 40, number 44, number 46. Now lunchtime single prediction number repeat: number 9, number 12, number 37, number 40, number 44, number 46. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers: number 3, number 8, number 10, number 14, number 21, number 22. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat: number 3, number 8, number 10, number 14, number 21, number 22. Now lunchtime booster balls numbers: number 15 or number 22 or number 34 or number 37. Today lunchtime bonus ball number repeat: number 15, number 22, number 34, number 37. Now tea time prediction for 4th April Friday 2024. Now tea time single prediction numbers: number 3, number 5, number 11, number 31, number 33, number 45. Today tea time single prediction number repeat: number 3, number 5, number 11, number 31, number 33, number 45. Now tea time second prediction numbers: number 8, number 20, number 22, number 33, number 36, number 48. Now tea time second prediction number repeat: number 8, number 20, number 22, number 32, number 36, number 48. Now tea time booster balls numbers: number 7, number 19 or number 32 or number 46. Today tea time bonus ball number repeat: number 7, number 19, number 32, number 46. So friends, complete today lunchtime and tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon.